It was supposed to be a small little construction company where we can make a living and take care of our families. 11 short years later, we're the largest in the state. We want to take care of our customers and we want to do things the right way. And when you do things like that, the growth takes care of itself.
I think it's awesome to be a part of their family. I think it's cool that it's family owned, and I never realized just how much family is in this building or in this company alone.
Like, everybody is very welcoming. I feel like we're all part of one team, and you don't always get that everywhere else.
I like the fact that if I ask a question, I get a straightforward answer. If that person doesn't know, they'll get me someone who does know. And I like that about a company where you can be straightforward with me.
We've hired people that came to work on their bike, and then being able to see them like buy a car, buy a house, start a family, like we make that impact on people's lives, and it's so important. I get so much fulfillment out of that, not only my own life, but seeing other people too.
I enjoy most the ability to tell people where I work and also tell them how much FSM really does care about, each person's situation.
It's good leadership that helps to make sure that everybody on our team is on the right track to the path for success. You're going to where you want to go and that you've got the tools to get there.
Everybody has an opportunity here because everybody's treated like a part of the family. Nobody's held back. We actually invest in you and give you more and more training. We invest in every one of our employees.
The FSM family to me is having people who love you, support you, have your back, challenge you, help you grow, and push you to do things that you have not experienced.
The crews, when I know they're off doing a good job and I was a part of helping them get to that customer's house and do what they had to do, and they come back early saying thanks for pulling my stuff or you did good, it just makes me feel good that I was a part of that effort.
We are always looking for installers who want to do the work and who actually are going to make sure that these customers are taken care of.
I feel like I accomplished something, and I'm always able to learn something new. Like, I don't feel like it's just consistently the same thing and monotonous. There's always something new going on.
I was a foreman for roughly 5 years. So I ran a 3-man crew, helped with the carpentry and the crawl spaces, was able to provide for a family of 6 on my income.
If there's ever a tool or resource that I want to get my hands on, it's not a matter of me having to go through 30 different hoops. There's no hesitation in getting me the tools that I need to get my job done effectively and exceptionally.
The best thing I can say is when you get here, nobody wants to leave. We don't have a turnover. When you get here, you find out it is a family atmosphere, you are a home, and you are cared about.
They take care of their employees, making sure that they get the training that they need, that they get any bonuses and things like that because of the hard work done.
Running into anybody, I try to recruit everybody because I think FSM is the best place to be.
Don't come in here if you don't have the mindset to work and learn. It's always an opportunity here for advancement.
We have a wonderful environment. I think there's many opportunities and different career paths that you could take here, and again, it is very welcoming and you'd be part of the family.
I don't feel like I have supervisors. I feel like I have peers. They're family, they're close to me. I can be candid with them in a way that you wouldn't normally be candid with somebody.
When you can change people's lives and just see it in their face, there's nothing better. That's the reward I get every day when I come in here.